Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sahi Bukhari hadith number 186. Narrated Amr. My father saw Amr bin Abi Hassan asking Abdullah bin Zayd radiyallahu ta'ala anhu about the ablution of Prophet. Abdullah bin Zayd asked for pot containing water and performed ablution like the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam in front of them. He poured water from the pot over his hand and washed his hands thrice, and then he put his hand in the pot and rinsed his mouth and washed his nose by putting water in it, and then blowing it out with 3 handfuls of water. Again he put his hand in the water and washed his face thrice and washed his forearms up to the elbows twice, and then put his hands in the water and then passed them over his head by bringing them to the front and then to the rear of the head once, and then he washed his feet up to the ankles. Sahih Bukhari hadith number 186. Sahih Bukhari hadith number 186. 186. Sahih Bukhari hadith number 186.